Maria's been competing since she's been 15 years old, but never thought her dream would ever become reality.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of a $50,000 scholarship, your new Miss America, Miss Indiana, Katie Stam.
The 83rd Miss America, Katie Stam, joins me now. Welcome to the family, Katie.
Thank you so much. Oh, my goodness. What an amazing experience it has been.
Yeah, and in fact, when Mario Lopez, the host, said to you, they were still live, tell us what you think, you said, I'm speechless.
I just kind of threw my hands up in the air. We're just kind of like, I don't even know what to say. I'm not even going to attempt to put these emotions into words.
But now you have a lot of talking to do because you are Miss America.
A lot of talking to do.
And so you're going to be out touring the country and speaking about your platform. But let's talk a little bit about what happened to you during the competition because you're a singer. And you got a very serious infection.
I
didn't even know if you could perform.
2 infections, actually, laryngitis and then also a throat infection. And I think it's just from the different climates, from Indiana to Las Vegas. Of course, it's extremely dry in Las Vegas. The doctor thinks that I probably picked up the infection on my way out there and, you know, had to struggle with that while I was out there. But everybody was watching over me. God was watching over me and got better, and everything worked out.
So this is the first win for the state of Indiana.
It is.
And from the Midwest, so I'm biased about that because I was from Minnesota. We had previous winners, but this was your first try at the pageant as well, and you also have TV aspirations.
I do. I do. I've dreamed of going into TV ever since I was in 8th grade and dreamed of becoming Miss America my entire life, and so all of my wildest dreams are coming true.
Now here's the interesting thing for our audience out there. There was a Miss America reality series this year, and I was a guest judge on the first episode.
The very first.
And one of the challenges was to have the contestants extemporaneously speak, and you were my winner. In fact, when you got done doing the challenge, I turned to the other judges. I said, slam dunk. I mean, so you did win that challenge.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, so you're going to be doing a lot of that this year.
Well, I got to tell you, hopefully I'm prepared for anything, and that meant so much to me to have you give me that first gold sash on TLC on Countdown to the Crown, because knowing that it came from a former Miss America, that just means even more. So
you'll be, thank you, well, thank you very much, but you'll be talking about your platform. What is it?
My platform is promoting community service and involvement, and I love doing that with the younger generations because people my age and people younger than me just don't get as involved as they should. And so what I try to do is go out into the community and promote community service, offer service opportunities for students to get them more involved and really just open their eyes to what an amazing experience it is.
Well, you're going to have an amazing experience this year.
I am. I already have, 48 hours, and it's just been an absolute whirlwind, and couldn't ask for anything more.
All right. Well, Katie Stam representing Indiana for the very first time, Miss America 2009. Have a wonderful year.
Feels good to hear that. Thank you so much, Gretchen.
All right. Let's head out to Brian and Steve in the green room.
All right.